Countertop ice makers are becoming essential in modern homes as people look for faster, quieter, and more efficient ways to enjoy fresh ice. Their appeal has grown among typists, gamers, busy families, and small space users who want chilled drinks without relying on their refrigerator.
Product number 1. U-Homey Countertop Ice Maker Machine with Handle. The U-Homey Countertop Ice Maker is one of the most reliable small kitchen appliances designed for users who need fast ice production without sacrificing portability. Its built-in handle makes it easy to carry, perfect for camping, office use, dorms, or kitchen counters. This machine produces chewable, bullet-shaped ice in just 6 to 8 minutes, allowing you to quickly chill drinks during parties, gaming sessions, or long work hours. The stainless steel finish adds durability while giving it a premium look that blends well with any modern kitchen. One of its standout features is its energy-efficient compressor system. This ensures quiet operation, ideal for typists, remote workers, or gamers who need low-noise appliances in their workspace. The machine also includes an intuitive control panel and smart sensors that detect when the ice basket is full, preventing overflow. Its transparent viewing window helps you track ice levels without opening the lid.
Product number 2. Cylon Ice Maker Countertop. The Cylon Ice Maker Countertop is a top choice for users who need both speed and versatility. This machine is widely loved for its ability to produce 2 different ice sizes, small for quick chilling and large for slow melting. Whether you are preparing drinks for guests or keeping water cold during long typing or gaming sessions, this customizable ice option is a major advantage. Producing a batch in as little as 6 minutes, the Cylon ensures you never run out of ice at crucial moments. Sound control is another highlight. Operating at under 35 decibels, it remains quiet enough for office desks, bedrooms, RVs, and home studios. Its advanced sensor technology stops production when the basket is full and alerts you when the water level is low, making maintenance effortless. The Cylon Ice Maker's transparent window, compact square design, and simple touch control panel make it extremely user-friendly. It also has a well-insulated interior, helping ice last longer before melting. Users looking for a fast, reliable, and quiet countertop ice solution will appreciate its balanced performance and value-driven pricing.
Product number 3. U-Homey Nugget Ice Maker Countertop with Handle. For fans of chewable, soft nugget ice, perfect for smoothies, cocktails, iced coffee, or daily hydration, the U-Homey Nugget Ice Maker is a standout premium choice. Nugget ice is highly popular because of its airy, crunchy texture, and this machine delivers restaurant-quality results at home. The unit produces ice continuously, ensuring a steady supply for parties or heavy household use. Its integrated handle adds portability, and the sleek design makes it ideal for kitchens, offices, and small apartments. Thanks to its advanced compressor technology, the machine runs efficiently and quietly. The self-cleaning function is another valuable feature, reducing maintenance time and keeping your ice fresh and hygienic.
Product number 4. Frigidaire EFIC 128AMZ BLK Compact Countertop Ice Maker. The Frigidaire EFIC 128AMZ BLK Compact Countertop Ice Maker is ideal for users seeking a sleek, lightweight, and dependable ice solution. Its glossy black finish makes it a stylish addition to modern kitchens. This machine produces ice in 6 to 8 minutes and offers 2 cube sizes, making it flexible for everyday drinks, smoothies, or cocktails. The control layout is simple and intuitive, with indicator lights for add water and ice full. Even first-time users can operate it easily. The insulated interior helps preserve ice longer than many compact competitors. Its quiet compressor ensures smooth operation, making it a good fit for small apartments, game rooms, and office desks. While compact, This model still delivers surprisingly strong ice output and excels in daily consistency. It's a great option for individuals wanting a dependable and space-efficient countertop ice maker that's both stylish and functional.
Product number 5. Frigidaire EFIC 103-AMZ-SC Countertop Ice Maker with Oversized Ice Bucket. The Frigidaire EFIC 103-AMZ-SC is built for households or workplaces that require large quantities of ice throughout the day. Its oversized ice bucket and high output system allow it to produce up to 26 pounds of ice daily, perfect for parties, family gatherings, or office use. This model is also designed to produce ice in under 6 minutes, ensuring fast access whenever you need it. One of its biggest strengths is the generously sized storage bucket, which holds significantly more ice than typical compact models. This reduces the need for constant emptying or monitoring. The stainless steel exterior is durable, easy to clean, and visually appealing. Its quiet operation makes it suitable for home workspaces, gaming rooms, and kitchen countertops.